Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your English teacher Nancy Pandey. So, today we are going to study about a new chapter, chapter number 9, that is a, an, and the. So, students, these are known as articles. In your previous classes, you have learned about these articles. Now, let's start this topic. Uses of a, an, and the. So, firstly, let's know the use of a. We use a before words which begin with consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, and so on. The example: a doctor, a big car, a girl. So, students, a doctor, here the word doctor first letter is D. It is a consonant. So, we use a before the consonant, before the word which begins with consonant. We also use a before U when it sounds like the word YOU, and before EU also. So, sounds like you start with U. A university. Here the sound of U is like a YOU. So here we use a university. Next sound like YOU starts with EU. The example is a European city. It means EU, European. EU sound like YOU. So here you have to write a European city, because EU is sound like a U. So in this chapter you will learn about this. Use of an. We use an before words which begins with vowels like A, E, I, O, U. Example is an apple. So, students, the word apple begins with the vowel, that is A. So, here you have to write an apple. We also use an before words that begin with a silent H. So, students, we also use an before the words that begin with a silent H. Example is hour. So, students, here the spelling of hour is HOUR, hour. Here you have the H is silent in this word. So here we use an hour. We usually use an with a noun to talk about a person or a thing for the first time. Now students, let's read the book. This is the Short introduction of the chapter. Now let's come to the chapter. Can you spot the error in these sentences? Today we have a English test. So students, here today we have a English test. The word English start with a letter E, that is vowel. So here you have to use A and an, not A. Today we have an English test. Now let's come to the second sentence. I ate an mango and apple in the morning. So students, look at the word mango. It starts with a consonant, that is am. So before consonant we use A. So here you have to write I ate a mango, not an mango. And a apple. Now look at the word apple. The word apple is start with a vowel, that is A. So here you have to write an apple. I ate a mango and an apple in the morning. Now let's come to the next sentence. Ravi Sharma is an kind man. So look at the word kind. The word kind begins with a consonant letter, that is K. So here you have to write A because we use A before the consonant. Ravi Sharma is a kind man. Now read these sentences. My father bought me a computer. So students, look at the colored word A. So here the word computer start with consonant. So here A is used before computer. Now look at the second sentence. An ostrich is a large bird. So look at the word ostrich. It begins with a vowel, that is O. So here an is used before the word ostrich. An ostrich is a large bird. Now look at the next sentence. Sita is an artist. Sita is an artist. So here the word artist, A is a consonant in the word artist, but it sounds like a artist. It means it sound like artist. It not sound like a. It sound like artist So this is so here we use an. So here you have to use an. Sita is an artist. Now let's come to the next sentence. Tina gave me a book of Indian history. So this sentence, now look at next sentences. Now read these sentences. There is a European tourist in the hotel. So students, in the starting of this video, I told you that sound likes you start with EU, there we use A. So the word European is started with the EU. That sound like U, Y-O-U. So here we have to use A. There is a European tourist in the hotel. Now look at the next sentence. Rohan wears a uniform to school. So sound likes U, Y-O-U start with U. There we use A. So uniform. So here U is sound like a Y-O-U. So here you have to use a. Rohan wears a uniform to school. Now let's come to the last sentence. It took me an hour to complete my test paper. So here the word H is and the word H is silent in this word. So in the starting of the video I told you that we also use an before the word that begin with a silent H. So here you have to use an. It took me an hour to complete my test paper. I hope you understand the uses of a and then very well by this video. You have to practice this at your home and do discuss this with your family. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.